Hi guys and welcome to Learn with Nia. So you just want to start recording videos for YouTube, but you've only got your phone. That's perfect, because guess what? That's all you need. You don't need a fancy camera to make great looking videos. You just need a few simple tips to make your phone footage look great. Today I'm going to talk to you about lighting, framing and quality using the phone you already have. Let's jump in. So tip number 1. Lighting is everything. So first up, lighting makes the biggest difference in how professional your video looks. And the best part, you probably have the best light source already. And what's that? A window. So if you film during the day and face the window, you will get natural soft light. But avoid having the window to the side of you or behind you, because it can cause shadows or blow out your background. And if you're filming in the evening, a desk lamp with a soft white bulb can work wonders. Just make sure it's aimed at your face and that it's not too harsh. Now I use a really cheap light that I got online. I'll show it to you now. There it is. Okay, and it makes such a difference to the quality of lighting. That's just on my face. I'll put a link in the description if you wanted to get one of those. Tip number 2, steady shots with no wobble. So the next tip is keep that phone steady. Shaky footage can be super distracting. So you don't need a fancy tripod, just use what you already have. This could be a stack of books, a phone stand, even leaning your phone up against a potted plant. Yes, I have done that. So frame yourself at eye level with just a bit of space above your head and your eyes roughly on the top third of the screen. This makes a huge difference to the way your video looks. Tip number 3. Check your camera settings. So most phones these days have really good cameras, but you can make them better just by going into the settings. So in the settings, make sure you choose HD or 4K if you've got it, and lock and hold your focus and exposure. This will stop your video going in and out of focus during your recording. Okay, and all you have to do is tap and hold your screen just before you start recording. This is a really obvious one, but cleaning your lens can help, because this will give you a crisper, clearer picture. And these little steps will give you more consistent videos without needing some magic editing. And one last bonus tip, even though this video is about visuals, I've got to mention audio. If you're using your phone's built-in mic, then please try and record in a quiet room with lots of soft furnishings to reduce the echo on your voice. Either that or plug in a cheap Lavalier mic that will clip on your clothes, or a really cheap USB mic, because this will instantly level up your video. Because when your video and your audio are good, then people are more likely to stay on your video and watch it to the end. So there you go. You can absolutely film amazing YouTube videos just with your phone, as long as you use good lighting, keep your phone steady, tweak your settings and pay a little attention to sound. No fancy kit needed, just you, your phone and your creativity. Let me know in the comments below, what phone are you filming with now? I'm using a Google Pixel 9 XL. And if you've got any DIY filming hacks, then please let me know. I'd love to chat about them. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. Especially if you're over 40 and just starting YouTube. I'm here to help you. I'll see you in the next one.